fried chicken, under $20 in Nicaragua. Easy meals today, ExploreEnjoyFood. Hi, I'm Kevin from Today, we're making a quick, tasty fried chicken meal using local ingredients all under $20. Here's what you'll need. Chicken, some flour, eggs, your favorite spices, oil for frying, and maybe some fresh veggies on the side. Season your chicken well with local spices. Coat with flour, dip in egg, then back in flour. Crispy magic starts here. Heat your oil and fry the chicken until golden brown. Make sure it's cooked inside and perfectly crispy outside. Add some rice, beans, or a fresh salad keeping. It's simple, tasty, and budget-friendly. Look at this. Crispy, juicy, fried chicken, all under $20. You can make this any day here in Nicaragua. Try it and let me know how it goes. Like, share, and subscribe to ExploreEnjoyFood for more local, easy, budget-friendly meals.